Hi, my name is Jorge Mateus, I'm 21 years old, and I'm trying to study architecture. My final project for this English class is going to be about what makes Venezuela architecture unique in a matter of color, light, texture, acoustic, rhythm, vertical and horizontal circulation, and space and scale. So let's begin. We must say that we live in a beautiful country filled by marvelous natural landscaping, happy people and great architecture. We really cannot imagine the large quantity of architectural works made by the brightest international and national architects. In my country we can see a lot of stuff, but if we want to watch architecture we must start for the colors. Arriving to the Maiquetía airport we can see the variety of colors on the floor. These ones gives us the feeling of movement and speed. We can go to the Pueblo Latillo and see that the house's colors are carefully chosen to draw attention, by calling out bright tones that give out the building's personality. And we must say that this is a tradition followed since many years ago, like in Maracaibo traditional houses. But Venezuelan architecture has also some technological part. We can see how the color and light combine together to give us a show. The Multinacional de Seguros Tower had LED screen in its front cover that can be programmed to make any pattern of or image. This light show can be very attention drawing, especially at night when even the building seems to be having fun. Also, at Plaza Venezuela we can be witness of a show of bright colored lights and water stream coordinated with a background music, creating a very entertaining and relaxing area for the pedestrians who walk through and enjoy the beauties of the city at night. These lights show aren't only on the capital city. In El Puente de Maracaibo we can see the good use of lighting in street areas where thousands of vehicles pass in daily basis, and as a beautiful decoration in all the extension of the pillars that support the bridge. Venezuelan architecture has also a definite part between the form and surfaces. Now I'm talking about the texture. In Barquisimeto we can find La Flor de Venezuela. The texture and position of the structural roof gives the impression of a flower petal, smooth, light and delicate, but really, they are made of hard, heavy and resistant steel. In Caracas, the vibrant orange color and texture of the Teatro Chacao make the building seem a bit unreal, like it is a model from a computer instead of an actual structure. It gives the feeling like it can move or even change from a quick and easy moment. Talking about theaters, the Aula Magna Auditorium is known worldwide as a structural marvel, based on acoustic aspects, thanks to the colored clouds that hang carefully from the ceiling. Also, you must go to the Concha Acústica de Bellomonte, where this funny-looking structure is actually used for acoustic purposes. It has room for more than 200 kids that go every day for free music lessons, and maybe you can find some music concerts. Talking about music, here in Venezuela you can watch certain pieces of architecture that provide some rhythm to the life of Caracas citizen. In Avenida Libertador we can watch the kinetic wall, giving us a colorful show at the same time we drive through. We can also watch these kinds of rhythm in buildings like in the Architecture and Urbanism faculty in the Universidad Central de Venezuela. If you are tired of traveling and want some ice cream, you can definitely stop at one of the big city malls, like the Millennium, San Ignacio or the Casa Mall. In these places you can be part of the whole complex movement of people and circulation of the building, visiting and enjoying the stores and food establishment. If you want to be impressed with something big and awesome, you can look at the Centro Benavent, where we can see just a huge black cube sitting in the middle of the city. Also, we can watch, in my opinion, the biggest work of architectural design in Caracas. El Hotel Humboldt maybe isn't so big, but because it is placed almost on the top of the Avila, it can be seen from every side of the city. Finally, I think that we live in a beautiful country and especially in a very nice city. Maybe we have our difficulties in organization and sometimes with our own people, but I think that this city can become the dream of the 50s architects, where they thought that this nation could become the architectural capital of the world. Thanks for listening.